Eve Flare is a smart home light that you don't have to leave behind. Welcome everyone, it is Andrew here from AppleInsider. And the Eve Flare, which first launched overseas, is now available in the US. This is a different kind of HomeKit light. Instead of being plugged in and tethered to an outlet, the Eve Flare is free to move about your house and beyond. You can take this with you on a picnic while watching the stars, and the entire time it's controlled through Apple HomeKit. Eve System makes all of their products exclusively for Apple HomeKit, and they've been some of the most reliable that we've found to date. For many smart home aficionados, you may draw comparisons between the Eve Flare and the Philips Hue Go. One of the big differences, other than the fact that Eve opted for an entire sphere instead of just a semi-sphere, is that this does not require a hub. There's no hub, and it works anywhere you go directly to your phone over Bluetooth. You can even ask Siri to control it when you're out in your yard or on a boat. This makes it extremely quick and easy to use no matter where you are. It also has an extremely long battery life to make it even more useful as you take it with you. Inside the box, you're going to find the Eve Flare, an actual base station to charge it up, and the power cable to connect it to the wall. As a backup, there is a HomeKit code on the instructions in the box, though of course there is another one printed on the bottom of the unit, so if you ever toss this out, you can always re-add this to your HomeKit home by scanning the bottom of the Eve Flare. Eve has packed in a ton of battery life. In fact, when we set this to around 30 to 40%, we got an entire day's worth of use out of it. If you turn that brightness all the way up, you may only get about 6 to 8 hours, but when it's lower, you're going to stretch that to much longer periods of time. On the bottom of the Eve Flare are two manual controls, including a power button to turn it on and off, as well as a mode button to shift through several different colors. You can also see that metal wire, which can be used to actually hang the Eve Flare from different surfaces. Hang it in a bedroom, hang it on a wall, hang it in a tent, wherever, to get some omnidirectional mood lighting. There is a bit of a seam on this diffused plastic exterior. It's kinda hard to see, but you can notice it more in real life, but it's just hard to get a perfect seam on a plastic sphere like this. It's not a big deal, but something we noticed as we were using it. Charging the Eve Flare is easy. There's no right or wrong way. Just set it on the charger and it'll instantly start charging, making sure that it's good to go. As we said at the intro, this is a HomeKit light, which means it can be added to the Apple Home app. You can either add this thing and set it up from the Eve app or from the Apple Home app. Both are just as simple. Scan the code either on the bottom of the light or on the included instruction manual, give this thing a name, change the icon, assign it to a specific room, or opt to include it in your favorites. If you have multiple Eve Flares, you can tap on Identify Accessory and the light itself will flash, making it easier to tell which one you're actually setting up. Once configured, you can go ahead and use it. Jumping into whatever specific room you assigned it to, in this case our guest bedroom, you can then turn it off and on, adjust the brightness, adjust the temperature of white, or the color. In the Eve app, you can do a little bit more. Particularly, you can assign several favorites, so that way whenever you jump in here to control the light, you don't have to spin around the wheel trying to find the exact color you're looking for. You can simply choose the color of white that you prefer or any of your favorite colors. Within the Eve app is also the only place where you can perform firmware and software updates to the Eve Flare to make it more stable as things go along. If Eve needs to make any changes or if HomeKit gets updated with extra capabilities, all those firmware updates can be done here through the Eve app. That is one of the downsides to HomeKit, is you can't do everything through the Home app. You still have bits and bobs that require manufacturer apps to get the most out of your devices. Of course, you can also use Siri. Just throw any color you'd like at Siri and she will do her best to assign that color to the Eve Flare. And as we said before, because this is Bluetooth, you can do it anywhere. You can take this with you, be outside away from Wi-Fi, and still use Siri to change the color of the Eve Flare. Colors on the Eve Flare are well represented, though they definitely don't look as vivid on camera as they do in real life. It is a very nice, soft, diffused light. which Eve pegs at around 90 lumens. The Eve flare also has an IP65 water resistance, which means while it can't be submerged, it can deal with some light splashes, so if you take this outside in the rain, it should be able to hold up just fine. And for fun, we even took it with us in the shower, and it performed just fine after the fact. We've tried to spend some time coming up with unique applications of the Eve flare, such as this starry night sky, by mounting the Eve flare right there on the wall and the entire starscape behind it. It presents a really great effect when the lights go off. The Eve flare is a great HomeKit light. It does a lot of things and it does it well. It does it better than the Hue Go, but it's still fairly expensive for just ambient lighting. If you can justify it, and we think you should, you can find it at the link below in the description. Enjoy that video? Click like and press on that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the AppleInsider price guide that has the best deals on Apple devices and is updated daily. Follow us on social media, and we'll see you guys in the next video.